And I always promised myself that whenever I got this opportunity, I would raise the first and foremost, the most important question about whenever in the Western countries people blaspheme our Prophet, peace be upon him, I always felt that the response from the Muslim Ummah, the OIC, I always felt it was lacking. And therefore I wanted to use this platform that the OIC owes a responsibility. Us heads of the states, we have a responsibility to the Muslim world. When anyone in the Western world blasphemes our Prophet, peace be upon him, it is a failure of the OIC that we have not been able to explain to the Western countries that the love and affection that we feel for our Holy Prophet, that how he lives in our hearts. It was up to us to explain to the Western people that the amount of pain they cause us when they ridicule or mock our Holy Prophet. And so therefore, on this, Mr. Chairman, I would like to say from this platform that we must, in the forums like the United Nations, forums like the European Union, we must explain to them that they cannot hurt the sentiment of 1.3 billion people under the garb of freedom of expression. I especially want to thank, we had the great opportunity to go into to visit the Rawza Rasool in Medina yesterday, and from me and my delegation we want to say that it gave us the greatest happiness and pleasure to be able to visit the mosque. Thank you very much.